All right, so we're here at the Kuka booth, and I wanted to show you guys one of the systems that they have here at their booth. And the reason why I'm pretty pumped about this system is because it's something that we promote pretty heavily, and it's bin picking vision. They're utilizing the Kuka robot with a magnetic rail type of system, but really what they're demonstrating is the vision picking, the bin picking with the Keyence vision bin picking system. So the reason why this is such a big deal for us is because bin picking wasn't something that was really around in our industry for up until the past couple of years. And so now bin picking gives us a tool and the ability to pick things out of a bin. And as you can see, these parts are just tossed in here, right? A few years ago, we didn't have the bin picking tool, which means we could not pick anything from a bin that was just tossed into a container randomly. Bin picking's been out for some time now, but over the past few years, it's really gotten better and it's been much more successful. The repeatability is there, and overall, the system is just much more robust. So bin picking is one of the offerings that we like to offer as a company because it just gives us that tool. It gives us the ability to service a customer in a way that we couldn't service them before. So all of our customers, which is a ton because we have a lot of automotive customers, all of our customers that had bins just tossed full of parts, now we can perform more automation applications with those type of customers and help service them in their automation needs by bin picking from their systems. You know, another thing that we talk about is AMRs, because if you take bin picking and you pair it with an AMR, now we can do even more powerful things, right? Because these bin picking systems are expensive. We can't ignore that. So one of the things that we can do is we can utilize this bin picking system as a nesting station, right? So essentially what they're doing is nesting here, right? That's what they have on this magnetic rail system, is a nest. Essentially, the robot is bin picking from this bowl and then is nesting into that linear rail system, which would then be taken over to the next process. And so if we can do this with multiple different part numbers where you're utilizing, let's say, part number A right now, and then an AMR takes this out and a part number B goes in, and then you take this one out and a part number C goes in, this bin picking system can handle all those different parts. Maybe a different nest rolls around, or you have different nest stations. We can configure this in all different types of ways. But as you can see, that then creates a better ROI for the system and gives you the ability to afford something like a bin picking system and also be able to automate multiple systems with only one singular satellite system. So if you'd like to learn more about bin picking systems, you can reach out to us. You can follow our channel where we talk about all different types of industry things, different technologies in the industry, and really just explore things like this event with you. Catch you on the next one.